everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at an absolutely beautiful 1971 Chevrolet C10. Love this truck, guys. Factory color combination. Great truck, runs and drives outstanding. I have to apologize, this actually just happened. Dropped it and that thing got run over at the gas station. I've got a new one on the way. But killer truck, North Carolina truck. I think it's like 3,000 miles on a complete body up restoration. Killer truck. You can see oak bed with the stainless strips. They actually just lowered this truck down. It's got new wheels and tires, and he said they changed it. They put all new lowering springs around it. And I'll tell you what, truck drives outstanding. You know, those are brand new 20-inch chrome US mags, new rubber all the way around it. Truck's got vintage air blows cold. And again, this is the factory color combination, which is medium blue. And it's gorgeous. I love the color. And again, it's got the blue vinyl interior. Great stance. Outstanding driving truck. Like I say, I just drove it and it hits the road great. Chrome and stainless is really nice. That's just a little wax there if you're seeing that. I've seen a couple little touch-up marks walking around it, but there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the truck. Got the factory bumperettes on it. Really slick paint. Dual chrome mirrors. Love the blue on blue. It's got the rear sliding glass. Again, new oak bed with the stainless slats. Look how nice that truck is. Love the color. So different. And again, factory. It's the original color combination. It's got the wood grain trim. Again, killer stance. 20s all the way around it. You can see the spare tires still underneath. And it's a good truck. Yeah, somebody's gonna have a blast with this thing. I've got a C10, guys. I drive it all the time. I mean, I probably put 2,000-3,000 miles on my truck. I am always in that truck. If the weather's nice, I'm cruising it. This stuff's all really nice. They definitely replaced all that stuff. Front disc brakes. It looks to have the correct engine in it. Is it TBC, Nathan? TBC block. New Holley 4-burner. Looks like brand new headers. Factory intake. See the chrome air cleaner with the factory valve covers. Again, it's got vintage AC. This aluminum radiator with a shroud. Power steering, power disc brakes. Again, those headers look brand new. VIN number is on the front frame like it's supposed to be too. Pretty truck. Little touch up, like I say, you can, there's a couple little things, but you're just nitpicking it to nitpick it down. This truck is gorgeous. Dual chrome mirrors, got the window vents. I'm not a huge fan of those. Definitely new door handles. Door seams are clean. Love the blue vinyl interior, and we've got somebody's got their dirty feet in here in the carpet. Original VIN is in the door. A couple of some of that, somebody probably had something in their pocket or something. They've definitely redone that seat. Headliner, cab light works, stock steering wheel, factory dash, 3669. It looked like all the gauges were working too, the factory gauges. But he's put some aftermarket ones. Usually guys do that when they rebuild the motor. Padded dash, radio worked. Again, it's got the vintage AC controllers in there. Dual exhaust. Factory 12-bolt rear axle, no big gear, definitely just a stock gear. Killer truck. Clean underneath, but definitely not overdone. Again, you see normally the spares aren't there. Yeah, that's not just some slapped together old truck. Somebody's loved this truck. It's got speakers in the kick panels there, or I'm sorry, in the door pads there. And you can tell they put new latches on it. Let's see if we can get that off. I don't know what it is. A little mark on the seat there. Looks like it's got the correct seat belts in it. The original, if I can open that with one hand, but the original sped tag is in there. Like I say, truck hits the road great, man. You can just kick your air on, it blows ice cold. Really good truck. That truck is a little sweetheart right there. Again, battery gauge working down there, fuel gauge works, oil pressure works up there. I don't know, the temp gauge may not be working there, but it is on the other side. Here, the radio working. Everything opens and closes really nice. Here, the choke works. Nice truck. Really nice truck. Looks like they put a new heater box in it and everything. Yeah, temp gauge is here. See, it holds good oil pressure. Radio works. Blower motor works. Everything opens and closes really nice. Good truck. Again, sorry we're not taking them down the road now with the construction, but it's just a mess down here and it takes forever to get back or get out. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. You see the back? The backup lights work on the truck and everything. It's a killer truck. Have a great day, guys.